I'm Ezra.
I'm 5.
We are a representative of the Bangla people. We acknowledge the living culture and unique role of Aboriginal people in this life of this region. We acknowledge the contributions of Aboriginal and non-Aboriginal Australians that call this land home. Together we recognise the continuing connection of the local Indigenous people to land, water and the community.
On behalf of the traditional custodian, I welcome you all. I am Jeff. I'm Mary. I'm Lucy. I'm Nate. I'm Sophia. I'm Charlie. My name is Talia. I'm Khalid. I'm Kiefer. I'm Jace. I'm Bailey.
Hi, I'm Robert. My name's Jai and my language groups are Naya and Ringu.
I'm Kaylee and I'm from Ringu and Gugata.
My name is Lisa and my language group is Gugata Ringu.
I'm Kayan and my language groups are Ringu and Gugata.
I am Amy and my language groups are Wiringu and Gugata.
I'm Patricia.
I'm Akbar and I'm Jessie.
My name is Jalen and my language groups is Gubrin and Wonga.
I'm Shauna and my language group is Gugata and Wiringu.
I'm Shania and my language groups are Wiringu.
We acknowledge the Bangla people, the traditional custodians,
upon whose ancestral land
We are meeting today,
and pay our respects to the elders.
past and present.
of attachment and relationship
of Aboriginal people to country.
We also pay our respects
To the cultural authority
Of Aboriginal people.
visiting from other areas of Australia present here.